Hello, in this part of the videos over TEKS resource system, we will go through some of the resources that are available when you search for the components. We're going to start by looking at the vertical alignment. If you look right here under the main vertical alignment piece, it'll open it up. And if you click on that in depth, it will let you view the vertical alignment, and you can choose how you want to view it, which grade levels you want to look at. And this is a good idea to go through and see, okay, what are they having, what prior knowledge are they going to have before they come to me? And what prior knowledge will they need when they leave me? So since we're looking at grade 6 math, let's look at grade 5 and grade 7. And this is just a really good way to make sure that you are right where you need to be to prepare them for the next grade level, and that you know if you're going to activate their prior knowledge in the lesson, what knowledge they are coming to you with. The next component we're going to go over is the enhanced TEKS clarification. This is only available in math. It's not available in reading language arts. If you looked at the enhanced TEKS clarification, we're going to go ahead and scroll down to a readiness or a supporting standard. If you look right here, 5.2a is the first standard we come to, and it's a supporting standard. If you scroll down within the standard, it's going to give you examples and visuals of exactly what the TEKS is asking for the students to know and or do. This is very handy when you are lesson planning and when you are getting ready to assess them. You know exactly what the TEKS is asking for. And as you scroll down, you'll see that this is available in every single readiness and supporting TEK. The next component we're going to take a look at is the year at a glance. The purple are your processing standards, the green are your supporting, and the red is your readiness standards. If you click on the actual name of the unit, it will open up the instructional focus document that goes with that unit. And we're going to talk about the instructional focus document in just a couple of minutes. If you click on the TEK that you are teaching, it will open up that standards area within the TEKS resource system, and then you can look at that TEK. You can view the components that go with the TEK, and then you can see, okay, there's the performance assessment rubrics, the year at a glance, and there's 5 results for that TEK. The next component we are going to take a look at is the instructional focus document. This is where you're going to spend most of your time when you're lesson planning, is this IFD, the instructional focus document. Let's go ahead and open Unit 1 so I can take you through what that looks like and what is all on there. Unit 1, it will give you your suggested duration, which is 13 days, and what you're going to be working on. In the unit overview, it will give you an introduction. It will tell you what prior knowledge your student needs to have coming into this, what they'll be working on, and what they will be doing in the next grade level with the knowledge you are teaching them. In the overarching understandings and questions area, this is where it breaks it down into your essential questions. What are you going to be teaching them? What understandings do they need to have? These are the main concepts that you will be working on during this time, and your performance assessments. Your performance assessments are a really good way to get students to show that they have learned the concept that you are working on. You can use it as an exit ticket. You can make it into a formative assessment, a group project. It is up to you how you use this performance assessment. And as you scroll down, you'll see that there are several areas where it talks about what you'll be teaching during that unit. And then it will have several performance assessments. Here is the misconceptions and underdeveloped concepts area. Right here, it gives you a very good idea of why students might be having trouble. What is the issue? What is keeping them from understanding and being able to apply the concept? And then you have the unit vocabulary. This is really nice. It's all in one place for you. And then related vocabulary. There are system resources listed here that go with the unit. And then there are other resources listed here as well. And then you have your taught directly TEKS, what is explicitly taught during this unit. And then underneath this, you have all the ELPs that go along with the unit as well. That is the instructional focus document, and as I said before, the majority of your time will be spent here. If you're a math teacher, I suggest you spend some time in the enhanced TEKS clarification, and the year at a glance is really going to help you in planning out what you are going to teach and when. If you have any questions or you need any help navigating or understanding anything about the TEKS resource system, please let me know.